Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to sign up for and navigate through the website called Tumblr. That's T-U-M-B-L-R. Before we get started, I just want to fill you in on what exactly Tumblr is. The website does a pretty good job of explaining. Tumblr is essentially a free-range blogging website where you can post pretty much whatever you want. Stories, photos, GIFs, television shows, videos, fashion art, a lot of written material. There's quite a bit of academic material on Tumblr as well, but for our purposes we're using the website to create a blog that holds organized material in a way that's presentable to others. So we're back on our sign up page. You're going to want to enter in your email, a password, and a username. To save on time, I already did all of this, and I guess I can pick whatever username I want, although you should create one that you like. So I guess will be Swimming Kitty Collection. So you're going to hit sign up, and you're in. This is Tumblr. So this is your dashboard. This is where all of your material shows up. Since we're only following the Tumblr staff right now, we're seeing all the material that they are posting. The general idea of Tumblr is to follow people who have interests that are similar to yours so that you can see all the stuff that they're posting. See, we have recommended blogs to follow right here. But we aren't using Tumblr for the purposes of following anyone else. We're using it to create a blog. So we're going to go to our blog. And we don't have any posts yet, which is to be expected because we've only just begun. So now we can start writing stuff. So now we have the opportunity to create a blog filled with whatever academic material we're working on. For this course, I would want a literary analysis of a book we're reading for our class. So we're doing a literary analysis for the Graveyard book, and then you can put in all of your material right here. Okay, so I wrote a short, condensed literary analysis for the Graveyard book by Neil Gaiman. This is just one of the many things that you can use your blog for, but I want to use mine for a book log. So before I post my literary analysis, I'm going to go down here to tags and enter in the Graveyard book and Neil Gaiman, because those are two of the most predominant subjects I'm using in my literary analysis. And then I'm going to hit post. So our literary analysis is showing up on our blog now. So we are able to access it whenever we need to. Before we create another post, I just want to draw our attention to the tags located down below. We have the Graveyard book and Neil Gaiman, and let's just click on the Graveyard book. So pulling up the tags helps you look at what other people are posting about the Graveyard book. So we have the cover, and here's a review. And then we have a bunch of other spooky books and quotables. Just a really cool way to absorb information about the book that you didn't already know. And that's what makes Tumblr so awesome when you're trying to condense a blog, is you'll never just have your own idea. You'll always have everyone else's ideas. So I really like the cover for the Graveyard book, and I want that on my blog. So what I'm going to do is, I guess I'll reblog her review so I can have a bunch of different stuff. And then I have all of her stuff, so I'm going to hit reblog. And then I can go back to my blog. And there's her stuff, and there's my stuff. So I went in and added a few more books for my book log. There's our Graveyard book stuff. I did The Tempest, and I added my tag down below, which pulled up a visual representation of one of the characters, which is really nice to have on a book log. I also did The Perks of Being a Wallflower with my tag, and it pulled up quotables, a review of the book, and even the cover, which is always nice to have. So Tumblr is a really cool way to create a blog that doesn't just limit itself with your ideas. It's open to the public, so you can pull in ideas from others and present them to people, contrast them against your own, and if you're ever bored of being confined to a book log, you have the entire database to search. So I highly recommend Tumblr for creating a blog.